Hi boys and girls, we're ready for another OG lesson. We're going to start by reviewing some of our words with suffixes, some with suffixes. So let's look at this first word. I see our vowel sound and one vowel sound, so it's a one-syllable word. Y says I. Fry. Can you echo me or read them at the same time? Let's chop off our suffix first and read our base word. Mess, es, messes. Chop off our suffix. Glass, es, glasses. Chop off our suffix. Vent, ed, vented. Remember why we say ed? Because ed has three sounds, ed, or t. We say ed because our base word ends in a T or a D. So then we say the ed. Let's do this one. Our base word, mend, ed, mended. Our base word, sell, sells. Remember, ing means right now. Let's chop it off. Our base word, clicking, clicking. No suffix, just our DGE. Budge, TCH, hatch. Let's go back and read these again, a little bit smoother, like we should sound when we read. Read them with me. Fry, messes, glasses, vented, mended, cells, clicking, budge, hatch. Let's read these again. If you are excited about the 100th day of school, you have been in first grade for 100 days. Let's read these words really strong. Here we go. Fry, messes, glasses, vented, mended, cells, clicking, budge, hatch. Can we read these words again? If you have thought about your Valentines for Valentine's Day, what you want, read these if you're excited about Valentine's Day coming up. Let's hear you. Fry, messes, glasses, vented, mended, cells, clicking, budge, hatch. All right, so I see that we have an action word that's happening right now, clicking. Like if you're clicking a pen, you're doing it right now. All right, can you say the word if I am talking about which word? More than one. You drink out of it. Sometimes it's it can be another word for a cup, but maybe it can break. So it would be glass, and if you have more than one, glasses. Or I could be talking about the glasses you wear on your head. I'm thinking of a word, and it's when an egg cracks open. Hatch. I'm thinking of a word, and it's many. It means more than one. And when something spills over or you don't pick up all your toys, you might have many messes, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it's when you're standing still and you're not going to move. Budge, right? You're not going to budge. All right, this time you say the word before I exit out. Here we go. Hatch, cells, mended, messes, budge, vented, fry, glasses, clicking. Good. All right, now we've been working on our A with the silent E, as in cake. A consonant E. The E is silent. It's hopping over one consonant to make the A say A. Cake is our key word. So let's practice some of our long A words. So I see our silent E It's there, only to hop over and make the A say its name. All right, you echo me or same at the same time. Fake, saying the A name. Plate, gave, save, sail, trade, main, made, shake. Can you read these again with me? If you did a 100th day collection. Be loud. Fake, plate, gave, save, sail, trade, main, made, shake. Remember, the E is silent. If we don't have the E, we go back to saying that short vowel sound, the sound of A, mad, but with our E, it makes it say A, made. Can you read these one more time with me? If you plan on living to 100 years old, I hope you do, be loud. Fake, plate, gave, save, sail, trade, main, made, shake. So let's talk about this word mane. That's what, like on a lion, the hair around its face is called its mane, or a horse has a mane. It's its hair by its head. All right, I'm thinking of a word and it's a synonym. It means the same as a dish that you eat off of. Plate. I'm thinking of a word and it's when you might switch with someone. You might switch papers or switch toys. You trade, right? I'm thinking of a word and it's something that's not real. It's fake, right? I'm thinking of a word and it's another word for jiggle something. You jiggle it up and down, you shake it, right? All right. I will X out the word. You shout the word out before I X it out. Here we go. Fake, made, sail, gave, trade, shake, save, main, plate. Now I tried to do that a little bit light because I wanted us to find the rhyming words. I should have done that first. Do you see any words that sound the same? They have to have the same vowel. They all have the same A, but then they have to have the same consonant. Oh, I see two right here. Gave and save, they rhyme. Made and trade, they both have the D. Shake and fake, they rhyme. They have the same consonant K. Oh, that's it. I don't see any others. Those all have different consonants. All right, boys and girls, let's get our paper out. Put our date on it. Today is January the 25th, 2021. All right. Write me the lowercase letter that says E as in funny. The two-syllable word. What says E? It's that Y, right? Write me the lowercase letters that say K as in duck. Remember, at the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, K is spelled CK. Write me the lowercase letters, and it's a suffix, and it comes at the end of the word, and it means right now, and it says ing. Like right now, we are writing. What three letters? I-N-G says ing. Right, it's a suffix at the end. Write me the lowercase letters that say bl. It's an L blend. BL, check that B. Write me the lowercase letters that say A as in cake. Remember how we get that A sound? It's not just an A, it's an A consonant E. Right. Write me the lowercase letters that say S as in class at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. S is spelled SS. Write me the lowercase letters that say ND, like in send. I hear those two sounds, ND. Check your D, make sure it's a D. Write me the lowercase letters that say UL as in hill at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. UL is spelled LL. Write me the lowercase letters that say as. It means more than one, like in foxes, boxes. We say when a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z, add ES and you'll please me. Write me the lowercase letter that says S or Z, and it can mean more than one, like cats, dogs. It's just the S. That's our suffix. Write me the lowercase letter that says I as in shy, or fry, or fly. That Y is acting like an I. In a one-syllable word, Y says I. Write me the lowercase letters that has three sounds, ed, d, or t, and it means in the past. It already happened. It's our suffix, ed. Good. All right, let's get ready to write some words. We will need our tapping hand to help us hear all the sounds. Your first word is fridge. Ready? Fr, I, j. Ooh, 4 sounds, but 6 letters. Go slow. Fr, I, j. Remember, at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, j is spelled DGE. Fridge. Write me the word, and it says batch. Let's tap it out. B-A-ch. 3 sounds, but 5 letters. B. Make sure you're making a B. A-ch. Remember what says ch at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. Ch is spelled TCH. All right, our next word, let's do the base word first, and then we're going to add a suffix. The base word is box. Box. That's pretty easy, but that's one box. What if we had many boxes? Add that suffix ES. When a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z, add ES and you'll please me. All right, our next one, the base word is drum. I hear all the sounds. One drum. Check to make sure you have a D. But what if we had 2 drums? Let's add that suffix I hear. Drums. Let's go back and read these words together. Fridge, batch, boxes, drums. Now, at our diamond, we're working on that sound that says A. How do we get that sound? A consonant E says A. Can you say that with me? A consonant E says A. A consonant E says A. That E is silent, as in cake. All right, well, let's flip our paper over. We're going to practice some of our A sounds. A consonant E. Our first word is made. So if we were going to tap it out, aid. I hear 3 sounds, but there's 4 letters. Aid. Now that says mad. We need that silent E to make it say A. It's hopping over just one consonant. made. Our next one, I'm going to tap out what I hear. Gave. Gave. Ooh, I hear 3 sounds. Gave. But remember, no English word ends in V, always followed by a silent E. Gave. Our next word, fake. Ache. Ache. Now remember, it is just a K. It cannot be a CK because a CK, remember our rule, comes at the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel. This isn't a short vowel. It's not saying A, it's saying A. It's a long vowel. It's just a K. Our E hops over 1 consonant, not 2. Fake. Our last one, save. Save. Ooh, it rhymes with gave. Save. No English word ends in V, always followed by a silent E. Let's go back and read these together. Made, gave, fake, save. All right, we don't have a brand new memory word. We did this last week. You probably learned this in kindergarten. H-A-S, has. She has a pencil. My mom has a car. All right, let's skyrate first. Ready? H-A-S says has. H-A-S says has. H-A-S says has. Let's write it. Let's spell it as we write it. H-A-S says has. H-A-S says has. H-A-S says has. H-A-S says has. All right, let's look at it 2 more times. Spell it with me. Use your strong arm. H-A-S says has. Can you close your eyes now and try? H-A-S says has. All right, let's try this on your own. Check it with me. All right, do you remember what this word is? It has a silent E, makes the I say I. Time. What time is it? T-I-M-E says time. Do you remember this? Very short compound word, 2 words put together. Into. Let's go into the school. I-N-T-O. Says into. All right, let's get our sentence ready with cups. Capital, the order, the punctuation, and spelling. It might be a telling sentence. It might be an asking sentence. It might be a sentence to show expression where we change our voice. All right, listen closely. Here it is. Can I help make the cake? You might ask that to Mom. Let's count our words. Can I help make the cake? 6 words. Ooh, did you hear my voice go up? Can I help make the cake? Oh, if you're waiting for a yes or no, your voice goes up. It's a question. You're asking someone, can I help make the cake? All right, think about how we start our sentence. With our capital for can. I think you know how to do can. Can I. Now I is by itself. We always uppercase I by itself. Can I help? Do we need to tap it out? Help. I hear that ulp at the end. Help. Just the LP. That's one of our ending blends. Can I help make? Make's been an OG memory word, but we also hear the long A. A consonant E, just a K. Can I help make the... Now cake rhymes with make. Cake is one of our Keywords. Cake. How did we know it was a C? Remember, our vowel is A, it's round, so we go with our C. Can I help make the cake? Remember, it's just a K. That E helps over one consonant, not two. CK goes with short vowels. Remember, can I help make the cake? We're asking, so we get a question mark at the end. Let's count our words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. All right, good job today, boys and girls.